Oh no, we've got a runaway mermaid who doesn't want to be sushied up. The kids are taking advantage of her, so what they're going to try and do mermaids are supposed to swim in the water, in the seawater. Wow. And it's all raining and the kids are still going hard out in here. Look at all the rain happening, and these kids are resilient, especially that mermaid and these balangis. It's raining. It's a rain shower for the kids as they're enjoying it. Very cool, eh? There's my kids are there, and the mermaid just about to go in, and yoo-hoo! It's raining here at the TANOA hotel, and kids are just resilient to the rain in there, having fun, as well as these balangis. Oh wow! If they all sing "Rain, Rain, Go Away," it will certainly go away.